The LUOPIAO Baby Shower Stand offers a stable standing bath solution with a wide anti-slip base and multiple rubber feet that help prevent tipping even when little ones splash around. Its adjustable frame can be set to several heights and widths, so one stand comfortably fits babies and toddlers from around 6 months through early childhood without constant gear changes. The gently curved support and soft, silicone-covered handrails cradle the child in an upright position that feels secure and reduces the strain on a caregiver's back during bath time. Thoughtful, pinch-resistant joints and cushioned armrests protect delicate skin, giving babies a comfortable grip area while parents wash and rinse with confidence. A built-in shower head holder and drainage holes keep water flowing away, minimize leftover foam, and help maintain a tidy, hygienic bathing area in showers that lack a traditional bathtub. When bath time is over, the stand folds down in a few seconds into a compact shape that is easy to slide into a bathroom corner, cabinet, or car trunk, making it practical for small homes and travel.